Hi friends, let me show you this new electric grinder set for salt and pepper. It is a rechargeable set, so it's really convenient. You don't have to be buying a lot of batteries. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you get the user manual, the charging cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. The actual grinding units. In each one, you can set the grinding finish from coarse to fine. You change this here really easily, from coarse to fine, the grinding thickness. And it's so easy to use it. You just have to get the product in here. You open this window here. Okay, really easy. Let's do pepper for this one. You can put it directly like that or use a spoon if you want. Okay. And we will do salt in this one, okay? Perfect. So now they are ready to work. You will charge them in this base. Okay. Easy to charge them. And when you want to use them, you just have to press this button. Okay. Let me show you. You see? It's grinding the pepper. Okay. And of course the salt. Okay, so you get a nice option for your kitchen, for your dinner, for your meals. So when you want to charge them, you just connect your charging base to the USB-C cable, and you will put your grinding units here. As you can see, there's a red light going on here. So you know it's charging. And you also get this brush to clean the units whenever you want to clean them. So you have your grinding set clean and ready for your next meal. Thank you so much.